Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a Lexus 2012 or 14 Rx450 with ABS light coming on sometime. This is the car here. Let's go ahead and see. Right now we don't have any airbag sign. I say airbag light on, but it was not an airbag light on. It is ABS light. ABS light is on, and it go on and off. Before we go crazy, let us see what it is. So I'm gonna use Toyota Techstream. I'm gonna click on it, so at least, okay, no, not this one. I click a place that's supposed to be, I need Toyota here. Let's click Toyota and Lexus, and we're gonna go check the car, see what happened, what we need to do, what is the requirement before we go crazy. So this is a platform for it. I'm gonna go here, connect to vehicle. I'm using the older version of Toyota. It's okay, it works. You can have a subscription. Okay, I'm gonna select I have the VIN number, so if you have a VIN number, that's okay. You don't need to worry about anything else. Just have radar cruise, then click next. On the other side, you have all the OBD2 software registration user. Let us just try to get into the software and see the diagnosis and see what we have. Like right now, we don't have anything. This is a Lexus. It is a hybrid. Okay. Okay. Now we have all these computers. If you notice here, in the other side, anything yellow is available. White ECU communication, okay. If there is a strike, that means there is a problem, not supported. That means communication okay. In past time, like they give you some information. So I'm gonna look for which tool you need. SRS module, front stabilizer. I will go to ABS. Now on ABS, I will communicate with it. And now if you notice here, I have, this is very old Techstream, 15 point something, but it's work. You see here, this is a code. We have this code here, and it's current. Okay, malfunction is present, and this is a code C1391. C1391. Let me go to the data. Jalal, الورقة. C1391 is talking about the accumulator pressure sensor. It's talking about the anti-lock brake system actuator control unit, the one that controls the follow of the pressure anytime when you apply. And we're gonna see there is some solenoid that you have to check, which is SMC1, SMC2, and SLRRR and SLRRL. I want to see if they are available here, but this one you will not know unless the car is driving and then you push the brake. Okay, you see here, those are the places that you need to look for it. SLARR, SLRFR. Those are the solenoid that the value that you need to look for it. If any of this value become a little bit higher while you're pushing the brake, that means there is internal leak. But most of the time in this Lexus, the LS 460s from 2007 to 2011 with a 4.6 liter and Rx450, and even the Toyotas, like they all have the same issue with this same code. We drive this car right now, we don't see anything. The car, we went with it, we try to make it, but it happens sometime and sometimes doesn't happen. You may need to change the accumulator. Let me see if I can get something here. Example, I don't have it here, but the ABS, what they call the ABS or the brake actuator, not the accumulator, the brake actuator. So this is one of the thing that if you need to test it or you need to do any test, it doesn't require, but for sure this is if you change anything and you need to do the utility, but we don't have to do that in this car. But this is a code, C1391, abnormal leak in the accumulator. You can say the accumulator, but I believe that most of the time it is the actuator itself. If you have any idea or anything more than that, please let us know. Let me clear the code. We're gonna clear the code here. Let me turn the car off. I'm gonna erase all the codes. You see now I don't have no code. Push the brake. It's ready. I want to check the data list again, and I'm looking for SLRRR or SLRRRL. If I have it here, but most of the time 95% of this issue, you see here, SLRR and SLRR front left, those are the solenoid that we need to look for it. And also we may have to look for SMC2. I don't know if I have that one. I don't see that one here. Okay, look here, I'm pushing the brake now. Look at those data here. Some of them change. Please compare those data with the good known data, at least to be sure if everything is working right. Right now I don't see anything. I don't have anything like coming on, but I know that for sure there is a problem with it that keep coming and going. I just cleared the code. I push the brake 2 times. I want to see if they're gonna come back again. I don't see anything. Please, if you have any suggestions or anything, let us know. But based on the information that I have, they have a tendency of
اشتغل يا محمد
change
اشتغل.
it. Oh my goodness, حبيبي أنا. كيفك؟ The best of the best here. This is one of the best cars. كيف أخبارك؟ طيب we're gonna stop here. دي فيها مشكلة في ال بيسموه البريك، مش الاكيوميليتر، الاكتويتر، الاي بي اس اكتويتر ذاته ما كويس، ففيها ليك بسيط من جوا inside. لما تيجي تدوس ما it will not come, it will not work well. So you may have to drive it a little bit. لكن إذا لقى واحد حتى لو مستعمل you can put it in. تشوفوه من الإيباي or anything, try it first. Yeah. لأنه غالي من الديلر. Thousands. Yeah. Okay. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.